Okay, let's go see what Santa brought.
I think Santa's cooking. Today ate my cookies.
He did.
Yeah. Santa brought me.
What did he bring? Look at it. You can open it. It's your stocking.
Wow, look at a big candy cane.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. I'm not going to carry books. An Easter egg. An Easter egg. Wow, open
It has silly putty in it.
Can I open it?
Yeah, it just has putty in it you can play with, like Play-Doh.
Oh. Can I open it?
Did you see the presents?
Yeah. Can I open them?
Yeah. First, let's see what's in your stocking. You didn't look at everything.
Holy cow! Wow!
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a harmonica.
Yeah.
Blow in it. You blow in it like a whistle. Blow. Like that movie on the chipmunks.